Okay, guys, now this is the question that I solved in the other video. Okay, I used normal way, like the normal way of using vectors, component of vectors to solve a problem. So, but this one I will apply Lami's theorem to this question. Now let us apply it. Now see this first. Now you see this 6 Newton force. We need to find the angle here. We must find the angle here. See this one? See this one now. We must find the angle here. Obviously, the angle here is 90 degrees. So this one is 90 degrees. So we find this one. So what of this one? So this one now, this force, we find this angle and this angle. Very good. So this is 90 degrees. Now, remember that after calculating everything, like if I have my x here, I can say theta plus x is equal plus 90 is equal to what? 180. So theta plus x is equal to 180 minus 90. Theta plus x is equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 90 minus theta. So here is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. That's what will be here. So now, how do we find what will be here? What will be here will be, that is the angle here will be, that's 180 minus 90 minus theta. That is 180. You know, this angle on the straight line. So watch out though. We have 180 minus bracket 90 minus theta. That's if you want to find the angle here. So we can call it y. You can say y is equal to y. So we now have 180 minus 90 plus theta is equal to y. So therefore, it is 90 plus theta is equal to what? Y. So the angle here is what? 90 plus theta. That's the angle here. You see now, correct? So we have gotten the angle here. That is this angle now. No, this angle, let's find this angle. No, this space is 90. Okay? This space is 90. So when you now add up everything here, if you add up everything here, 90 plus 90 minus theta, you add up everything. So everything here will give you 90 plus 90 minus theta. So which is what? 180 minus theta. So we have gotten the angle here. Remember this angle, everything here, everything is 180 minus theta. I hope you will remember, please. So now this one is 180 minus theta. This one is 180 minus theta. This one is 90 plus theta. You see, this one is 90 degrees. Now watch now. Now we now say from Lami's theorem, 12 over sine 90 is equal to 12 over sine 90 is equal to 6 root 3 over sine 180 minus theta. Do you see? 180 minus theta. Yes. So now recall that sine 180 minus theta is equal to what? Plus sine theta. Yes. Plus sine theta. Yeah, this is the angle. That is theta is in the second quadrant. Okay. So we now have 12 over sine 90 is equal to 6 root 3 over what? Over sine theta. You know sine 90 is equal to 1. Okay, sine 90 is 1. So which implies this is 12. 12 over 1 is 12. So we now have 12 over 1 is equal to what? 6 root 3 over sine theta. You see? So when you cross multiply, we have 12 sine theta is equal to 12 sine theta is equal to 6 root 3. 12 sine theta is equal to 6 root 3. So therefore, sine theta is equal to 6 root 3 over what? Over 12. Cancel. Sine theta is equal to what? Root 3 over 2. So theta is equal to the sine inverse. The sine inverse of root 3 over 2. Theta is equal to sine inverse of root 3 over 2. So the sine inverse of root 3 over 2 will be, the sine inverse of root 3 over 2 will be what? Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Do you see? So do you see that using Lami's theorem, we got 60 degrees. I hope it is very, very clear. Please, whenever you see a question like this, please don't waste your time to apply the necessary solution. If you like, use Lami's theorem. If you like, use the method of components of vectors and their resultants. Okay, so that is it.